Tigaria mareka kigeranio gya KCSE ri.
Yes.
Wengine wote wako nyumbani.
Ito keeps here. The KJC. We are successfully completed. Me KCSE ni omeke.
Me dhukuru.
Yes. And there is a trend nowadays ukoraga riri. Families do maundu mathia maivo over time. Zukuru wa hingwo ri. Ni mabagaga how the holiday is going to be enjoyed. Underline the word enjoyed. Tonto gũcoka handũ hau abonyite hau enjoy. Ukaigua riu okorwo ni mubangite depending on the financial might. Mukaigua part of the holiday Christmas no muthie Mombatha muthie Nanyuki muthie Naivasha no muge muthie picnic kana mutwarwo handu michuha-ini. Yes.
Na wiki ingi naguo muthie kundu kungi.
Yes.
Muthie mugacerere andu anyu some other activity.
Absolutely, just to break off from the ordinary, from the normal. Yes.
Na ni gukiri nginya mathia nja wa bururi
aige
no acio ti aige.
No, I have a friend of mine. Ciana ciake ni hea ciakwa pressure njuru muno. They go, they visit 3 countries.
Imagine.
Yes. Magathie Morocco, Spain. Ukaigua ni acio mathie Lisbon. Yes. Makarekeria na gucerera andu ao kuria Dallas.
Naginya andu Dallas.
Yes. Na hindi yakwa mathiete mukerenjo iego marumi.
Na magacokerithia
na thiku igire Mombatha. Never mind.
Maundu matihananaga na andu matihanaine.
Absolutely. And the way to be happy is to make a little heaven down here. Yes, I'm happy today. Growing up, it was okay enjoy. Holidays were not enjoyed, they were endured. Mwaiga thukuru. The very first weekend, the Ministry of Labor
would take over
and move with
speed
to identify the labor crisis that has been openly identified during the school term. Yes. The workers workers that were not unionizable.
Nicio ciana cia muci ucio.
Yes. Nimagayagirwo mawira makukata na shoka. Manual labor distribution began as soon as you close school. Yes. And sometimes it would be either local or you would be ferried
to provide free labor,
which is in labor terms called foreign expatriate. Especially for your rich uncles who would be identified to have supported your education journey. You would pay back with your sweat. Yes. Wakora wira ni wajia kugaiwo. They would cluster you.
Wira ni mubange.
Na gutiare union to kwa the union. Amo ito gena pension ta. Yama wira maria twa naruta.
Tungiabetie kuiga pension tene.
We would be pensionable. Yes. Mukaigwa holiday magutire muthenya omwe. Wa guikara oguo okay. Yes, that one was very common.
Ati ikarete oguo de. Gutiri undu ureka. Ati you are relaxing.
Ati we are ta jagathi. It would even pain the system. Your relaxation would pain the system.
Makarigwo niki oikarete oguo niki.
Yes. Atengania mathire gwa tata. Gwika atia.
Gucera.
Kuma wira.
Aca.
Oguo guikara fue. Gufurera. ndakiuga atiriri thie umere yo no tengere matige matwira ng'ombe ciaku some of us kwa igwo thukuru na ndaumiraga ni wira kuingiha ti mugunda ti mai ti ng'ombe cio ciarutaga iria drop ya o mwana uria munini
ti guthie roru tinaku.
Yes. No, there was una ndunge imagine ati kwendo mahinga thukuru magathie vacation.
The vacation.
To vacate and to go where?
Vacation.
To where?
To do what?
With whose money? Who are you employed? Nikore hore hagu.
Ona nitugiarigiro kandu wa mwathukumire ri.
Yes. Ati mwathie mumbata guikara na tufethi.
The vacation.
Actually, back in the days holidays, they enjoy it. Leisure had to be very closely knit and married to job. Okora itheria rowe-ini utuvere ki?
Utuvere o kireithagia.
It's a working holiday.
Wajongia hingire thukuru riu ta holiday no ya kurikia mwaka.
Yes.
Ucoke uigua ati he handu thogu eriga gukombora mugunda.
No
mugunda ucio nduri warimwo.
Now that was Cairo, Misri during the days of Moses.
Tondu kwaja kaingi migunda ya gukomborwo ri. Wakorapo wanduri hakuhi na mucie kwanyu. Uguo ni handu muthiaga gathabari. Migunda neo yari mihinju.
Ni migunda yo ya thondomo. Yakuraga ruthiro
na ithanji. Riu kundu kuu mungigatua mugunda ucio Arabu. Wira uria murutite kuu.
What are you saying? Mumenye muguthi mukuanetie githeri kianyu. Iyo riu niyo yari camping. And you see, migunda yo yakoro kuria kianda-ini biu. Yes. Ona mukiugire mbuguthie mundu ungimuigua. You would go on a one mission. Wira ucio
urike.
Yes.
Akora manyekire ku mukeuria maguku ni ithuĩ turahura hianyu.
Manga ukona thangarima.
Wakigua atongiura kwanyu.
Mwacoka mwekira tiri-ini ri. Mugathie na hope ati ni ega atia.
Ni kamera.
Yes. Kuona maita maria maingire kiria mwahanda kuu ri giacoka utuika irio ciake cia ng'ombe. Tigo probably ta mukondo na muhembe. No cio mwene mugunda ni oka akagetha mutoi.
Na rimwe mukahandiriria ithara cigana ona.
Yes. Na rimwe wakora inyo no mukomborete guku guothe ni mutitu. Even getting there is an exploration.
Na wakora ni mwahanda na ni ciagia. There nacio igoka.
Yes. Kana hukore no huko ni igwo gutire human activity.
Yes.
Siga no ke.
Ku na ku huko cia hana cia muito.
Yes. Mukaruta wira and you would do that season after season. That was the epitome of living on hope. Yes.
Kana gwitu kwa macani no amenyaga riu we.
Yes.
Tiga sande gwo guthio kanitha ri honokaga kigara kia macani.
Yes. Yakura kwandu mapurifaga gwi thukuru.
Gukira kwi holiday.
Yes. Tondu kwi holiday ma. You know you are literally a child laborer.
A serious one.
Serious one. Oh, you run the economy of the family. Aikiona iye ciatu akuomuka ciathia mite iguru away from the human.
Ai. Ndukoneke uikarite de
na gutiare kwaku kwega thie gwa coguo ona ni weka wega ni guka thie gwa tata guo thie gwa miguo munini makore kianda
makore mugunda mbio nao manyitithie mbere ngima.
Yes. Over the lucky ones marry na relatives Nyairo vile rimwe nĩ mwetagio mũkagĩa invitation tondũ andũ mainvitagwo mũrĩmo mũkagĩa na host Nairobi mũgakĩheo visa mwaheo visa ya gũka Nairobi rĩ nĩ maikaraga gũkũ starehe mũtarĩ muona nginya mũkĩenderio gũikara
gũikara Nairobi
kũndũ gũtathiagwo mũgũnda. Yes. No Ministry of Labour rũgongo nĩ aikaraga ũguo ĩka-identify a gaping hole in the labor system.
Yes.
Mũkarikorwo
vacation yanyu rĩ is cut short.
Na nĩ mwamenyaga muonete mami wanyu ũka mũkamenya gũkũ rĩ
gũkũ tũracoka
ndanoka kũrora ũrĩa tũhana nĩ njaguti ciagĩrwo nĩ barabuja
ona gũkũ kahũmbu kwĩ nguo ciaku ikũhũrĩtwo karĩ nyũmũ
na nĩ ciatũmanagwo thiĩte
kana ona maitũgua ka insist nĩ mũkua itarĩ nyũmũ nĩ igũthiĩ kũmĩra mũciĩ
mũkahoya mwathani tata wanyu arũgame na inyuĩ auge reke maikare narĩ kiumia we nawe no mũkĩigua rĩu atĩ ndũgona ndũngĩareka marare haĩ curu
amenya bas
you are back to the concentration camp.
Your host has signed your papers.
Ni mwacoka prison, karibuni prison ni yenyu. Relaxation it was a word we used to read in novels.
Ina kenda na 42.